Welcome to ATEC. In this video I will tell you that how to manage WhatsApp storage space and how to clear WhatsApp storage space. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp. Then on top right corner you can see three dots. So on last you can see settings option. In settings you can see storage and data option, and on top you can see manage storage option. So on top you can see the details. You can see two options, 63 GB free and 1.3 GB used. Under it you can see two options, that review and delete items, and you can see forward it many time and larger than 5 MB. So you can delete these items and free up your space. So I will select these two pictures, and now I will delete larger than 5 MB file. So it's 25 MB file, I will delete it. So in this way you can manage your WhatsApp storage and delete your WhatsApp storage. Thanks for watching.